In this video, you'll learn how to turn your Notion data into charts. This process will help you visualize your information effectively in harnessing in our productivity and organization. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open a web browser and enter the URL for Notion, which is notion.so. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface where you can access your databases and pages. Next, locate and click on the title of the page where your data is stored. This action will take you to the specific page that contains your database. It is important to ensure that the page is set up correctly with the data you want to visualize. After that, click in a blank space on the page to ensure you are ready to create a new database. This step is essential as it prepares the workspace for the next actions you will take. Type in the command /database in the blank space. This command will prompt Notion to display options for creating a new database. It is useful to remember that you can create various types of databases depending on your needs. Once the options appear, click on Database Inline. This selection will insert a new inline database directly into your page, allowing you to see your data and charts side by side. Next, click on the Tasks Tracker or the relevant database you want to visualize. Selecting the correct database is crucial, as it contains the data you will be using for your charts. After that, click on the Get Started button. This action will initiate the chart creation process, guiding you through the necessary steps to visualize your data. Once that is complete, click on the Done button to finalize the setup of your database. At this point, you should see a confirmation indicating that your database is ready for chart creation. Now, proceed to click on the Highlight option. This will allow you to select the specific data points you want to visualize in your chart. Next, click on Chart to access the chart options available within Notion. This action will open a menu where you can choose the type of chart that best represents your data. Afterward, click on Edit Charts to customize your chart further. This step is important for tailoring the visual representation according to your specific requirements. Then click on Donut to select this specific chart type. The donut chart will provide a unique visual representation of your data, making it easy to interpret at a glance. Finally, click on a blank space again to save your chart settings. This action will ensure that all changes are applied on your Notion page. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.